ஏன்னா கோயிலேருந்து உன்னை அவன் வாங்கிட்டு வர சொன்னான், எவனா ஓக்க சொன்னான், எவன் ஊம்ப சொன்னான், அறிவில்லை. ஏன் எனக்கு வாங்க தெரியாது. அண்ணா நடிப்பு நடிக்கிறாள் ஒவ்வொருத்தையும். சரி அப்படியாங்க, உன்னை யார் எனக்கு வரல கோயிலுக்கு போக சொன்னா, உன்னை யார் யார் வாங்கிட்டு வர சொன்னா, என்ன ஆப்பிட்டு விட்றாங்க ஒவ்வொருத்தைகளும். நீ என்ன மொழியில் பேசினாலும் நான் அவனோட தெளிவாக இருப்பேன். கத்துவாங்க ஃபைட்டிங்கில் சீல் வைக்கணுங்க. எவ்வளோ வரமாட்டாலாம் சீல் வாங்க, சவுண்டோடு கொடுப்பாங்கன்னு நினச்சாலும். ஏன் அது உங்கள் சவுண்ட் இல்லை? Surgery happening inside there to get the global war in the hands of Mars, others, females. Along with the Liberation G-Tech Liberation LTTE series like Naxalite Sivakumar, LTTE Vijayakant, later Karnataka citizen Vijayakant Rajinikanth is asking total properties in Andhra hand and in the heart of Asoka Empire. Like that, some important papers are involved in this war called as Yogawa. Some important peoples like DSP and SPs are important main peoples are involved in this forgeries to collapse the war and mission of the higher officials called as security forces and police and army and other military peoples. These peoples are asking total properties in their hand with a Gulf of map nearby, and they are seem to be a matrix blame where one person need to attack the total earth is happening there. The one person called as global person need to fight, global god need to fight against the other, like that. Where it's going on. This is happening. So buying a global action, I need to manage the situation. Where I need to fight against the Asura forces, the sound against the Deva forces. Are using that forces, they are asking the total property. Mars are not ready to hear the word and writing, and they are not able. They are here, still hearing the word of the Asura forces. Along with that, along with their relations, it's they are along with that nearby people. They are not ready to listen the word of the Arasan, and who are seeing as a child, or seeing the Masa, Arsi, or seeing the Masa, God related and pray. So God is coming in the form of the Kadan. காதலனும் பேரில் துரோகம் செய்யாதிருப்பாயாக. குடான் பூ என்னும் பேரில் துரோகம் செய்யாதிருப்பாயாக. நேரான் நேசம் என்னும் பேரில் துரோகம் செய்யாதிருப்பாயாக. படான் பாசம் என்னும் பேரில் பாசம் காட்டாதிருப்பாயாக. தி அரசன் தி அரசகோப்ரா தி நந்திதேவன் said, be honest. Honesty is the best policy. Honor said, honesty is the best policy towards the all the cobra, the Arasa cobra of the earth. Arasa cobra, the cobra Karnataka said, Kanda Samraja, the Karnataka, the Karnagara, the Arasa cobra. Be honest, be loyal series is that. Loyal, faithful is there. Then words. So be care about that. Death is in fake ruling. What you are taking, need to pay by your family, your supporters, to God and related family. This is the emergency period Prakana by the global president. So, as per the global president's word, Asoka Empire also cheating. Unlike on those days, even the building, what God is it is the God's building, they are also asking money for that. And some liberation should is eating that is in the face of the RSC. The Nalanda Mehndi is happening. Naladamain is happening. I am Adisitta than Brahmdev than you all. I am the Sade than you all. I am the Vishnu Devi than you all. I am the Apan Kapan Ganesan is Salvaganesan than you all. I am not a Yana Ganesan. I am not a Ganesan at all. I am a Lord Shiva, the Swalinga, the which face you want to place, you can place and you can pray to God. That is Lord Shiva from the form of Lingam. I am going to throw more than 13 crops, more than 180 raga, 7 series called as Sarigama Patani first series. I am in the correction of 7 series. It's a holy than female. Astral forces are spreading some other rumors like all need to live with females, all need to judge the idai of females. As per the word of Supnambika said some idai talavi is there, idai talavani is there. That is failed. None idai talavani is there, none idai talavi is there. That word is a wrong word. As per the word of the Uttarasan, Arsan said the word is Vilakatalavan, Vilakatalavi, Yanakatalavan, Yanakatalavi, Sadhya Talavan, Sadhya Talavi, like that says is Pavan. It's not related to a terrestrial production. It is related to a music creator or music producer. Then the word said by the Supnambika in Tamil Nadu. That Supnambika will always say lie because Supnambika is in first mountain, then as on third mountain. Supnambika is in first mountain, Karnataka is third mountain. Andhra is in fourth mountain than you all. You are not in a ruling. Ruling is in a above. North and south is not that one. If you want to take that as a north and south, it is in a climate area. You can't do anything by saying I am ruling. That thing. You are not ruling. You are not back of the anybody. God is above you. So in sand ruling, you can't use sand ruling. Man is not in ruling. It's a word of God. Sand is only ruling. To reach this word, a lot of fight will come. Called as Ayappa. Ayappa Sami word. Kallumullam Kalikumatei during the fight against this type of things. So let's play the war against the enemies, the socialists, the lawless people who are fighting against the law, called as Satasvadrava, called as War to Vivak my life, then you'll see. In the they are saying God is asking LC to live, and so we want to live with. So we want to live with the Hada series Nagi in Changotai or Tamil Nadu or which place ma'am is to be in a work. I am warning to all the idiotic males and females who are trying to cheat, and suddenly you want to touch the RC and series. Andavan, Arasan Andavan, 11 series will not come to earth. After that, even power will come. It's the present situation of the earth. Then you will try to act as a Nagi and suddenly you will disturb like Olympic Diva. Like Olympic Diva, I am the Olympic Diva which was attacked in international running. So it is only happening, they will act, suddenly they will collapse. Love Twin Diva, myself and my life, suddenly blasted in American country. There is that they will try to blast myself and my life. I am the global god, the president of globe. My life, who is in Ladis, you want anything in negative side? Who is having very dark brownish in sexual system than LC, who is having a very brand particle in their sexual system. You want to cut that from social side, socialistic style in Chagota and any area. Like American country, it's not a story to say anything towards the accused. If you are got able to listen the word of the Arsan, the Mutharsan know what is happening than you. So no need to talk anything towards the Arsan. Arjun is searching the RC, the Nike, who is having a branded bottle of Napoleon branded bottle, to say Karnataka says one dia. Both are done, bottle done the your LC acid. Your LC acid is 7 group is also asking anything. Who is asking in Changotai? As per the word of them, terror captured the Changotai like Taj. But Taj captured by Ranwa to sleep with some Arasi called as Golden Arasi. They slept with Golden Arasi by saying, I want to eat next Arasi. I think they are in war against the Arasa family. All the Arasa families are in network only than you all. Your weapons is forces. Now you can see the हमारे का दोस्त का तोरना in Rajasthan than you all. They taken the jewel of their family. Why you are coming there to take the life of them? They taken the jewel of my family to build a pyramid to kill you the Ranwa, you the accused. Who are all doing the law games activities is accused, and so Ashoka Empire is accused in the case of law games activities, and a good be. Dost ka Dorana said, I want to design a pyramid. Why you are disturbing that side peoples? They are requesting me to save myself. You are still running in Tailetota in all the areas to sleep with princess and prince, to capture anything, to very, and you are asking what? Salary of the prince, the other side. That word prince is a wrong word. I dissolved that word from the 10th standard areas, from Anglo-Indian standard. I am missing P, instead of P I am missing way. Rashtriyan Raghavishan law. It's a Dikhoda Didika Pradesha wordings. No one should spell that word. Only my child can spell. Only my caste can spell that. They only know about the mantra, what I am saying. I am in that mantra creation than you all. You are trying to disturb my family, you are shooting. If that is lawful, you got to, but it's not a lawful. You are again disturbing my princess. You are again burying my management who are disturbing you. Whether they are disturbing, you are saving all the liberation Jitak. Still you are saving all the Rowdy Rajas. Rowdy Rajas against people are only called as rowdies. Only called as rowdies. What is Rajas? Enemies only called as enemies of the bodies. Are enemies totally they are in accused status. As per the word of God, God said will give Burma to total police, they will not give any salary, like that is going on. Let's see what is happening. What is called fire stroke is a fire anti-fire stroke is all that things. I am a anti-God means I am antibiotic which will give disease cleaning part. You are only torturing me, called as Ranwa, called as Liberation Lion area, by saying I want to see the Mura. By your Mura, I am saying I am in a grab. I will grab you by metal in a grab model. In slope model by Sai Baba, stunned DC. I am the DC who create the Himalayas. That much big attitude. I am in the second attitude called the same DC. DC will not have any vibration. It will always such an empress who is the original legal guy than you all. Once I said I will follow that only, I will not change my mind. I am searching my management to manage the project. You are thinking something like love and all. That is not what I am saying here. What I am saying, what to say this. What properties you want? Why you want all the properties of others? by saying the word love and other serious relation. As per the word of the God said that word already. You want to be a Adhikara Bodha, you want to be a money-minded, so you are doing this type of activities against the God. That is normally happening, that is your risk. I don't want to involve in your matter. I am searching my impress than others. I don't want to hear anybody's word. Always you will say, I will not allow you to marry. I will not allow you to even talk. Even one Muslim attacked myself by weapons and they try to beat. I don't want to see any other accused. Even the childs like Nali will take the power of Shiva, Vishnu, Ramdev during the sleeping in the house, and they will take the power and they will cover and they will place it in their houses to give to their supportive terror organization. They will also ask money from the government. So God can't give any ID card or authority to anybody's. So uppermost office, CAG, Russell office is in my hand. Anybody want to do any work, need to get signature from the Godfather, the grandfather. Godfather is above the grandfather to grant all the permission to all the father who want to sin or who want to do anything. Need to get the test by myself. I am in a global court as a advocate. I am in a scientific research center called as Global Research Center in Disnapur as a scientist staff. So I am doing my work. I don't want to give anything to others. All should be in the hand of my control. I am searching only my legal guide than other words to have a relation or to talk with them. We are here to relation with mass and to enjoy the life than you are fine. You are asking the God's Adhikara power to sleep with my princess. My Kada is in Nepal. Why you are saying to bow the heart of the Kada, the Princess Sruti, Goddess Arsi Sruti of Nepal than you are. Another one, golden bottle is there. That bottle is captured by some mother, like that you are saying. But my Kada, the Ganesha Kadir, the Sigoda, the Dirka Pradesha. One God called us Uddhava nation, the nation. The Salvaka nation is there. I am the nation, the national station, the Nesa Prabhu in the air. Why the Nepala here only? What we are doing that and acting? That Uttama Commando is searching his children to disturb. I am having the research, read Russell in all the category. Once you did a sin, your currency will go down. Always your Indian country is going down. As per your words, you are doing fake currency. Your country value, money value is going down. And you are searching on the RC to live with your LC, LTTE and your servant. Once your servant finish the work, you are asking the quota. To jail only you got to go. Then you will call. It's a simple work. Once you disturb the arsonage war accused, you are quota in jail. You got to go to the jail. Another one word towards others. Like this only he slept. Why he should not sleep? Because he is sleeping like this. Because he is attacked by some other, he may have pain. During the formal work you got to see. During the formal work you got to see the arsonage. They are in a Kolagalam. Their is a Kolagala. Because as per the word of the previous card, the previous global person will have. On those days he got a international rights. Nowadays national rights only having in that Siddhartha Pradesha network. It's having 18 base in Indian country. Global work only will have global base. That need to be have the signature of the original higher myself than the Peter John, who is a kin only. I am the higher of self than that kin. If you want, you can let us see sign of seal and from the original seal, not a duplicate from gene and end. They are using duplicate gene and the areas to act to get the property to power to show to others. Still that I didn't give anything to anybody, I can't recognize anything. I already announced that no one is ready to listen. I already want. They are not ready to listen what I said. I can't give anything to any mass in global who are in world management to be in a network to earn their own work and their own network, their own network, but that network is also coming under the Anmika power of the God. So that should be in my hand only. I am searching the lives called as the same legal guy, because that legal guy will have that capability, that character, that sensation than myself, because I am itself having that sensation. That only I am asking. Where is the original legal guy? You are fighting, you are creating anti-lunar to collapse that child. Where is that child coming to earth? Who will have the same character what God is having in Vedavasana? The same Otase will come to them. Why it is not coming? Is a word. Otase. It's a Vedavasana. Otase varum. Otase varum. That same Otase, why it is not coming to the original legal gear? Where is that original legal gear in the earth? What females, what mass are doing? It's a word towards the democracy or from the monarchy to diarchy. And I am searching that legal gear than you, the idiot, what you are talking towards me. In other words, I can't give anything to any legal gear in my side like world, my side like nationalization, privatization or globalization in 1 second or 1 minute. It's a million crore year work of the God, the nature, the privacy series. If you want to work hard, you have to pray, you have to do your separate work. You are in the work of the male, the Anmahan. What series God is having is Anmaha work. If you want to work, you have to ask permission, you have to finish your shin, and you have to work separately for words. So as per the word of the God, God said to work for relational work. It's a mandate work called as relation series. Then why you are Asuda by the Hasuda law and some other law is there. Asudan in Asu is the other language. In Tamil, it's called as love. Love is in done form. Kallam is in done form. Abram is in done. All are coming in done form. So in the done, I will do love in done form. I can do love in done form. I can do love Kallam in done form. I can do Abram in done form. It's a done form I can do because I am a Shiva than you. Why I should not have like that is a word towards the enemies. I am having this much management who is my life only. I don't want to hear what you are saying. I don't want to be animal like you. I know what I have to do more than you. I am listening. I know we hereby is here. That word said by myself and my friends like that they are saying. They are researching and they are finding. Why you are taking that? I am researching, I am finding, I am listening. Why you want to disturb my research and taking that research and you are trying to say something? All are coming in the form of done. Future love is also under research to find. That is only the new cast called as the killer country, Punal caste. Punal said, you are getting some sensation in your mind. Only sensation will come to legal if two are giving fully satisfied love. It's a concept against this Punal creation called as future love. The prostitutional peoples who are in prostitute with their nearby love to save their life from the enemies who are getting lanja by the song Nadodi Mannargale Vanakam Vanakam, song of the Mugambigai, the Anil Vega of Reliance. They said like this, like this, like this, like this. I can't give anything like this. You can see like this. Nadodi Mannargale Vanakam Vanakam, நான் பாடும் என் இசையோ இனிக்கும் இனிக்கும், நிலவை பிடித்து சிறையில் வைத்தாலும் வெளிச்சம் கொடுக்கும், அதுதான் இனிக்கும். I am in a unwashed face, so you want to see to be a terror. We are calling myself as a terror from all the areas called as American areas. They are asking the properties in their hand. I can't give any properties of myself to America or other countries. Than them I am having more knowledge because I am a god. All the female mass will jalra to take all the properties in their hand. They will say some different but they will confuse and they will take the properties of God. God is in the work of finishing the Mecca because last time they escaped from the this time they failed, I think. They are saying some words like mek, beg and duck. Next they will duck out. Now they are in a Bodha, I think so. I said to blast the Mecca. I think there only that shatterers are there. I will not listen to your word. I do not see any Mecca there. So blast the Mecca is the word of God. I have it such a good. Art is in a comic face, the love face. First comic is coming, then only love is coming. Or love is coming or comic is coming is your research. That is your words. But I said to blast the comic symbol, diagram, Taichata, the Paya, the Pi symbol, that part need to be in a lawful in the Satasaritra than princess. It's not a princess. You need to say that as a princess. Varances is a word. Varances. As per the word of the New Pradesha, Kadaka Tigada, Vidirka Pradesha Prabhu. That is Buddha Nation, that is myself only. My doctor Padmavati is not available. Some liberation Chitak is nearby. In his face, it seemed to be an Naidu mixed some gene. Already, lot of places Naidu is trying to cheat. In the control of Venkaiah Naidu, it's a management only. I am above the Venkaiah Naidu, the Venkaiah Andavan, the Vanga Katalan. I am in the work of creating some island in Vanga Kadal to place all some birds and I think some life will come there. Let's see what is happening in that area. Then Venkaiah Naidu, I am a Venkaiah Naidu who is above that management. Who is a management of myself. I am that Venkaiah Andavan, the Vengai Kondan, Vengai Kondavan, Karungai Kondavan. Don't try to cheat my hand. Don't try to take my hand in your control to touch any other people's called Bhayangara. Don't show your Bhayangara towards the Bhayangaravadigal. Bhayangaravadigal is saying we are having fear in all the places. Allam Bhayam and like that I would say. Bhayanga Hasan, the Havas, the Haba, the war always than your Baba. The Baba will say always like this. This is called as Baba. Baba said always war is called as Naga. Naga is saying don't allow anybody to live who is accused. So it's a umpire symbol security force of myself. It seemed to be a ugly face because I am not in bath because my empress is not nearby. And only I will show my beautiful face towards others. It seemed to be a terror face. You are having any facilities like that? Even a terror can vote if their face was. Is there any law you are saying like that? Because I am attacked by lot of terror forces in my spermat, in my universe. You are not ready to think. Desnapo is my global base, my business base. I am in a separate path called as Yambali Tanibali. So I will not disturb any customs officer. So don't try to disturb myself. It's a word of the greater God, the Karna of Karnataka. I will not disturb any customs. So don't try to disturb. It's a word. Why I am saying like that? Even one MLA is having 7898 chest counter management. They are getting the salary for 7856 nearby one day only. It's a very hard work than your Ranva. If I got any custom tax or customs output, I will give to your account directly in more than you. So don't try to disturb my hard work. It's a slump work than your work. It's an emergency Prakarna war. It's an emergency Prakarna. Who is attacking like that? It's an emergency Prakarna of global president towards others in the some other form like this. It seems to be ugly, but I am in this form. Let's see how I change this form into a normal person. See like this also, like that you can change it because some emergency period if anybody is not in path, you can see like this because prints need to paint in all the places to clear the Vega Magal in all the places. Then you the painter not ready to paint and you want to sleep with the prince, you want to sleep with the RC, so you will sleep with the RC and need to clear or paint the Mahal of Vega Mahal is in problem. So your Arabia prince is in your Arabia, the monarchy is in painting work of that Vega Mahal in all the areas. So where is that prince and where is that barons and baroness need to return back. I need to place one currents for global war, and as I will give one Arabia film like Vivek called us. Sometimes to tear the dress to get Raja in Arabia, Raja in Telangana. After that, I give seal. Then until that, I will not allow any seal. In this person, they are taking the spam record and universal record of Arasan Arsi and the others called as accused are trying to give up the child of God. They want to collapse the earth in hell to take total finance in their control like Britain, America and other countries like Arabu. Arabu is a coup in Tamil. They are saying that as a sexual system like Muslims. Muslims are so Arabu is a coup. can't recognize the meaning of that too. Don't try to disturb that too. My mom is there, called as uncle. My uncle's life called as aunt is in Britain. They too are the uncle and half my is the self the global person. My RC, the Alamara tool is not available there. He is in some problem. So don't try to disturb others. God is in emergency Prakarna to save all the Arasan RC and all the management, all the loyal workers. And I am in some other emergency work. I am in a Dominion power. So I am designing the same, and I am going to place the certificate by my original signature. During your checking, if you can check. If you don't want, you don't want to check. But God will not give any finance of the God to that is the global work, global certification. Then you the government. You the government is a lawyer. It's a good line. Global security is not from government security. It's a global security than government security. Where government is in lower line, God is in uppermost global security line. So these social accused will try to come inside the hotel like Nadas, like Varadarajan. So till God need to be in a major, there should not be, there need to be a help from Major General of government to run out the accused. They will kill the higher official who are good people than who are getting lanja, than who are getting the properties of others along with the help of their lives only, like RSCs who want to get suga, who are not in a Sarguna status. They are not in a Sarguna status, but they are working for their friends. That's already set in all the areas. Western culture is there. Only lot of character they are having in prince and princess. They are not having in a Sarguna status. Lot of people will have their type of character, a sexual character. Yes, he acts ruling also. So no need to disturb anybody by saying he is doing. As per the word of the God, the Buddha nation towards the Muruga in Tamil Nadu. Ome Muruga, Eme Muruga, Sakta Devan from Telangana, the Buddha nation said, if that Lord is Valimai of yourself, not myself, is yourself is a Lord is Valimai. So pray and believe that child as a Lord is. Don't try to take my life like a chakar of sexual system to see by you. It's not a good to see like that by accused. Who are also try to see that is accused in this case called as Pandiga. But you are accused, how you will get money from Dhammo is a word of network. Again you are trying to take my life in like that to check the sexual system of the other by saying your female's mouth is very good than the males. You are accused in all the cases like Ganesha Deva, like Kannadeva, like Ramadeva. Lot of cases are there. You try to take the total properties in your hand and you want to eat. So this much people are in problem, this much temples are in problem. All want to pay